In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Thesaurus in Microsoft Word to find and insert synonyms. If you ever feel like you're repeating the same word over and over, or you want a slightly more precise term, Word's built-in Thesaurus can help you quickly find alternatives without leaving your document. Let's walk through how to use it in a clear, simple way. Start by selecting the word you want to improve. Click and drag to highlight the exact word in your document. Make sure you've captured just the word itself, not any surrounding punctuation or spaces. It helps to pause for a moment and think about the role that word plays in your sentence. Are you after a similar meaning, a different tone, or a stronger emphasis? This context will guide your choice later. Next, go to the Review tab at the top of Word. This tab sits in the ribbon alongside others like Home and Insert. The Review tab houses tools for checking your writing, and it's where the Thesaurus lives. Click Thesaurus. When you do, a pane will open on the right side of your screen. This panel lists synonyms and related words for the term you selected. You'll usually see several options that range from very close matches to words with slightly different shades of meaning. Take a moment to read through them and consider which one best fits your sentence. If a suggestion feels too formal, too casual, or off-in-meaning, keep browsing until you find one that feels natural. When you spot a synonym you like, right-click that word in the list and select Insert. Word will automatically place it into your document, replacing the original selection. It's a good idea to reread the full sentence afterward. Even a good synonym can sound a bit off if the surrounding words don't support it, and a quick read-through ensures your tone and meaning stay intact. If the replacement isn't quite right, you can immediately undo and try a different suggestion from the pane. Using the Thesaurus this way helps you improve your vocabulary and vary your writing, which keeps your readers engaged and your voice fresh. It's especially useful for refining emails, reports, essays, and creative pieces. As a final tip, use synonyms thoughtfully. Clarity always comes first. Choose the word that communicates your idea most clearly, then consider whether it adds the nuance you want. That's all there is to it. Select your word, open the Thesaurus from the Review tab, explore the options, and right-click to insert the best fit. Keep practicing, and you'll notice your writing becoming more precise, more dynamic, and more enjoyable to read.